Are you ready to transform your body with just one simple exercise? Imagine building strength, toning your muscles, and boosting your overall fitness with minimal effort every day. Welcome to the 40 Squat Challenge, an easy, effective, and rewarding way to get in shape and feel more confident. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a complete beginner, this routine can make a significant impact on your health and well-being. Stick around till the end as we reveal tips, tricks, and variations to maximize your results. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for building strength, toning your body, and improving your overall fitness. This simple yet powerful move targets multiple muscle groups, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. By dedicating yourself to just 40 squats every day, you can unlock numerous benefits, such as enhanced muscle strength, improved mobility, increased calorie burn, and better joint health. Squats are versatile and can fit into any fitness level or routine, making them a must-have exercise in your daily regimen. Performing a proper squat is crucial to avoid injuries and ensure maximum effectiveness. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes slightly pointed out. Engage your core, keep your chest upright, and push your hips back as if sitting into an imaginary chair. Slowly lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground, keeping your knees aligned with your toes. Then push through your heels to return to the starting position, making sure to squeeze your glutes at the top. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout to get the best results. To make the 40 squat routine manageable, you can split it into 2 sessions. 20 squats in the morning to energize your day, and 20 squats in the evening to wind down. As you progress, you might notice some initial soreness, which is a sign that your muscles are adapting and growing stronger. By the second week, you'll likely experience improved stamina, better balance, and increased confidence in your movements. By the 3rd and 4th weeks, you'll see visible changes, such as more toned legs, a firmer glute region, and a stronger lower body overall. For those looking to push their limits further, consider adding weights, such as dumbbells or a kettlebell, to increase the intensity of your squats. Resistance bands are another excellent tool to enhance your workout. Always listen to your body, and don't hesitate to adjust the number of squats or the pace based on your fitness level. Combining this routine with a balanced diet rich in protein, whole grains, and vegetables will amplify your results and help you feel more energetic throughout the day. The beauty of the 40 Squat Challenge lies in its simplicity and efficiency. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a beginner, this routine can be a game changer for your health and fitness goals. So, why wait? Take up the challenge, stay consistent, and witness how 40 squats a day can transform your body and boost your confidence. Don't forget to share your progress and inspire others to join the journey toward a healthier, stronger you.